Well, hello YouTube. Objective in this tutorial is to write very simple C program that will help us to establish when we enter number into DOS console, let's say, is that number positive or negative? Very simple stuff. So we will not talk too much theoretically here. Let's just establish number variable. We are going to grab data from keyboard, so we must inform end user what is expected to type. Number to check for positivity or negativity, whatever. And yeah, that's information to end user. Okay, well known as scanf function to grab stuff with the help of pointer. We are grabbing integers, so d, and we are grabbing that pointer number. Okay, that hardware address for number variable. Right, so much about data input, and now we are rolling with the check. For example, if a number is bigger than 0, of course there can be only one solution here, like a printf that number. I mean, we can hard code report here, but we can use placeholder too. So %d is a positive number. Okay, and we can go to next line. And of course we must concatenate this with the real value of number at the moment. So what's gonna happen if we search for negative number using this piece of code? Well, else if, and then check if number is smaller than 0. Well, very simple stuff. Actually, I'm going to steal this line because I don't need to change a lot. This will be negative number. Again, we are targeting that thing. And final option, we can use curly brackets here, but you're not obliged to do that. Whatever you like. If number is not negative and not positive, then of course it is 0. So we are going to say like number is 0. Right. No need for a detailed custom report here because 0 is just 0, pretty much self-explanatory. Now let's roll this thing, and number to check 0, number is 0. Let's roll it one more time. For example, for 10 is a positive number, blah blah blah. Of course this will work. And now let's enter something negative. Well, I don't know, something like this. Minus 250 is a negative number. So this works. Now usually beginners do have a problem when they forget variables. You must have variables here in the report, otherwise you will get weird results. For example, if you forget it here in a custom report, you will get weird results. For example, let's run it. Number to check 15 and then problem. Okay, see? So that is what's happening when you have some kind of garbage value into this placeholder. Bottom line, guys, just pay attention then that when you are using this %d or any other placeholder, just target that after comma, that specific variable we are talking about. Right, okay. Let me test this one more time for negative 1000, and number is negative. Right, very simple stuff. Okay, let's beautify this code because maybe some people like it better when we use A style. There you go, very simple stuff. Let me zoom a little bit, and that's it. Now you can practice. I mean, there is nothing to practice basically, it's just positive or negative or 0. But it's a cool illustration about how to get stuff, get integer from keyboard, how to roll with if check, how to have multiple of these if you need them, and how to close with else. Right, thanks for watching as always, and see you next one. Ciao, ciao.